As Ekol Hospitals, we feel very happy and proud to have hosted our special guests, whom we welcomed from Ireland with our private jet organization. On the 11th of January, we met our guests at Dublin Airport with our multilingual interpreters. Upon their arrival in Izmir, we took them to their 5-star hotel with our modern, comfortable vehicles. After a good night's rest, our patients were transferred to our hospital. With Netflix available on every TV and comfortable patient beds, our spacious patient rooms have been designed like 5-star hotel rooms. Following examinations and pre-op analyses, the operations of our patients were conducted by our talented medical team using the latest technology equipment. Both plastic surgery and gastric sleeve surgery patients received 24/7 nursing and cleaning services. Our patients were visited by their surgeons every day until they were discharged in good health and in good spirits, and flew back to their countries again on a private jet. Our patients received all required medication free of charge and will continue to receive free consultancy interviews with our specialist doctors. All follow-up procedures will also be fully conducted. It is time for a change. It is time to be the new you. This is only possible at Ekol Hospitals.